Hello everyone, I'm Deborah and welcome back to my channel and to another segment that I am calling Get Well With Me Healthy Skin. And today the focus is going to be on our feet. Thank you all so much for joining me. And as you can see guys, I am making this a Get Well With Me hair, Get Well With Me skin. And just as I said, it's also going to be a Get Well With Me feet. Now the product that I am going to be sharing with you all today is something that I purchased for the very first time. We are all going to use it together today for the first time and I am super excited about it. And this is it. It is a pedi buffer that I purchased from a company called Spongelle. Now Spongelle offers all-in-one beauty treatments catering to women, men, children, and their products are eco-friendly. Their products promise to deliver high-quality moisturizers, sea minerals, botanicals, antioxidants, and anti-aging ingredients. Now you guys, all of those benefits packaged into one eco-friendly product sounds like a winner to me. And again, I purchased the Pedi Buffer and the fragrance is French lavender. And you guys, coming out of winter and going into spring and summer, I don't know about you guys, but usually in the winter time, I am not taking care of my feet the way that I normally would in spring and summer. And the reason being is because your feet are all covered up. You got heavy socks on, you got boots, you've got things on that people don't see those feet. You know what I'm talking about, leave it in the comments below. So again, we are going into the warmer months where we're gonna take all those layers of winter off, including the layers of neglect on those feet, guys, okay? So hopefully this little product right here will give me exactly what I am looking for. And let me go ahead and unbox it because it is supposed to have the moisturizer on one side and then the buffer exfoliation on the other. And this is what it looks like. Need to cut off this plastic. And it definitely has the texture of a sponge. And it's also supposed to give us 30 uses, so I'm loving that as well. Oh, guys, this is already passing the smell test. Oh. All right, Spongelle. You get an A+++ on the fragrance because this thing is absolutely, oh my gosh. Amazing. Okay. All right, guys, let me see if I can give you a close up. And again, it is definitely a sponge. And you see all the pores in it. Wow. All right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to go to the bath and get into using this, and we are going to see if this Spongelle Pedi Buffer lives up to its claims. Be right back with you guys. Wow. Hello everyone, I am back after using this Pedi-buffer from Spongelle for the first time. And if this thing came with a report card, this is what I would give it. First off, the fragrance. Oh my goodness, you guys. Again, I got it in French lavender and it was all of a high-end spa treatment and then some. Phenomenal. I would give it an A+++ as far as the fragrance is concerned. Absolutely amazing. Now, as far as the foaming, right there with the fragrance, guys, this thing foamed up so well and it's moisturizing and it makes your skin feel so incredibly soft. My feet are like, they're like singing to me. That's how good they feel right about now. And the buffing side, guys. Okay, when they say all in one, they absolutely truly meant all in one. This thing has it all. The buffing side, one thing that has happened to me recently as well, and probably because of dry skin and going through the winter, etc., my right foot developed a callus on the ball of the foot. It's so uncomfortable, okay? But being busy and stuff like that, you ignore it and you keep it going. Today gave me the opportunity to actually buff it with the buffing side of this sponge. And when I tell you guys, I put my foot down and it's almost like this thing just melted away. I am not kidding you. My feet feel phenomenal. So guys, my final analysis, would I recommend this product? Absolutely. I will tell people to run, don't walk, run to their site and get you some of their products. Again, this is the first one that I've used, but if there are other products or anything like this, I know that they have got to be A+ as well. Again, this is what I ordered, that Pedi-buffer, French lavender. This is what this product looks like. Guys, be good to yourselves, invest in yourselves, go out there and get this product for yourselves, get those feet up ready for spring and summer, just as I am doing. We got holidays coming up, we're in a new year, I'm sure we got birthdays coming up, we got Mother's Day coming up, we got anniversaries coming up, and if people are looking to buy you something and they just don't know what to buy you, cannot go wrong. Absolutely. So guys, thank you so very much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do share. And if you're not yet a part of my family, please press that subscribe button below. And if you've used any of these Spongelle products, please do share your experience with them by leaving it in the comments below. Guys, remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next I've Got Something to Say Too. Thank you all so much for joining.